Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your headphones Urbanista Phoenix Solar. So firstly, put your headphones to the charging case and after that close the charging case. Right here we should have not connected, and after that open it. Now we have connected, so check it, maybe it help you, but if it doesn't, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, you should press and hold this connectional button for at least 10 seconds until this LED light it start be purple. Here we go. Now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair a new device. And after that, click on it at the device list. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!